Hello.
Hi. Let me get your seat for you.
After I runway, it's alright, man. Me capable.
Okay. So how are you this evening?
Hungry. We can order now.
Sure. Waiter. Could we get some of your special bread and a bottle of red wine for the table, please?
Sure, coming right up.
Thank you.
Since when you turn Jesus, I really dry bread and wine you just order for your table. Why I got order next one swimming pool for baptize me?
No. Trust me, you'll enjoy it.
No man, this is why I'm gonna really go on my date sitting here, you know. Sure. Imagine me telling man say me hungry and him order dry bread. So me not already eat bread at my house. Sure, this is why me bring my pack lunch wherever me go, you know. Sure. You ever hear about this yet? Proper food. Fried dumpling. You want one?
How about we order our main then? Alright. Waiter. Sorry. We've changed our minds. Could we
Okay.
get the main dishes, please?
Yeah, sure.
2 filet mignons, please.
Okay.
Flamingo. No, sir. Mr. Man, me tell you something I can't order for myself. Hello, darling. You have any, like, rice and peas, oxtail, jerk chicken, proper food? You have any of them there?
No, I'm really sorry. We don't have any of those on our menu.
Oh, Lord. Alright, one way the bird sitting. Sure. So, Mr. Man, how long you been doing this for?
Been doing what for?
This online dating sitting.
Right. A lot of people are really surprised when I say this, but 7 years.
7 years? And nobody no want you? Why, you sick? You soon dead?
No, I'm not sick. I just truly enjoy meeting new people.
You have a job?
Yes, I have a job. I own 3 hotels.
So, if you have a job, you have 3 hotels, why nobody no want you? You have any pitney?
What is pitany?
Kids, children.
Right, yes. I have 23 lovely children.
23? You have Jamaican in you? Oh, what you do with 23 jackets? No, sir. It look like for your 7 years you do this. You get a pitney out of each woman. No, sir. If that's what you call me out for today, me sorry if I let you down. Sorry, master. Me don't want no pitney with you. Enjoy your flamingo. Sir, me not really feel happy like before we made it just start there. So me think say it need to end. What need to end? Me and you, me just need time. You need time. Oh, so what you cook soup now? What you need? Dumpling, carrot and chicken next. But you break up with me. You idiot. Eh? Listen, they could dry it.